This used to be one of my favorites, but I've had it in storage, and then all of a sudden I noticed all of this stuff in the middle here was peeling off, and it's just like paper thin. There's some of it on the handle, and it's all peeled off, and even along the bottom. So I've gone to the store, I bought some ribbon, some different things in that kind of tone, and let's see if we can bring it back to life.